Hello mga bero, we here in the Transit Hotel in Incheon International Airport. This is the size of the double bedroom. Meron silang air purifier, aircon, and then may TV dito sa loob ng Incheon International Airport. Sobrang maganda at saktong-sakto lang yung space. And then Terminal 2 ng Incheon International Airport. Worth it magstay dito overnight. Hello mga bero, ito yung lobby area sa Transit Hotel dito sa Incheon International Airport. Terminal 2, walking distance lang papunta sa aming boarding gate. Ganda, laki, so spacious. And so silent.